30 sentences used. When your phone battery is low 1, my battery is about to die. 2, I'm on low battery right now. 3, can I borrow your charger for a minute? 4, I need to plug in my phone. 5, my phone's at 5%. 6, I'm running out of charge. 7, do you have a charger I can use? 8, my phone is dying. 9, I'll call you back after charging. 10, my phone might switch off any second. 11, I'm on low power mode. 12, I forgot to charge my phone last night. 13, can I use your power bank? 14, I need to find a charging point. 15th, my battery drains so fast these days. 16, sorry if I disconnect, my phone is dying. 17, let's talk later, I'm almost out of battery. 18, my charger isn't working. 19, I think my cable is broken. 20, is there a socket nearby? 21, I'll be offline for a while. 22, I need to save my battery. 23rd, my phone's dead. 24, I couldn't call, my phone switched off. 25, I've been trying to save the last 1%. 26, I'll text you once I charge. 27, I forgot my charger at home. 28th, can I quickly plug in my phone? 29th, I need a fast charger. 30, I'll talk to you later, need to charge first.